G'day, my name's Devaney. I'm from EVSE Australia, and today we're going to walk through the benefits of the Ocular LTE home charging station and why it's important for you. EVSE have been around for 10 years, and with that, we've designed and built and brought to market a product that's reliable, user-friendly, and future-proofed for your home. We want to make sure a product that goes into your house gives you the confidence to charge and wake up with a full battery. That's why we've brought out the Ocular LTE charging station. This charger comes with an inbuilt LCD screen, which is a differentiator on the market. It lets you understand the details of your charging session as soon as you plug in, giving you the confidence to walk away knowing your vehicle's charging. What else this product delivers is it comes in two different options. One, a universal ported version, and the second being a permanently attached or tethered cable to the unit, which just adds that convenience. We also supply charging cable accessories and cable hooks to make sure that that cable is on the wall, off the ground and clean. With the Ocular LTE charger, it comes with a plug and play version, which is simple, where you just plug one end into the car, one end into the vehicle, and it gives you around 40 kilometers or 80 kilometers of range per hour of charge. Additionally, we also provide the LTE Plus Ocular charger. This comes with a smart Bluetooth app on your phone that you can look to schedule charging times to charge at off-peak hours and reduce your electricity bill, but also tracks and records all of your charging sessions and gives you the ability to monitor the charging session via the app. The great thing with the Ocular charging brand is that they're universal and compatible with every electric vehicle on the market. So what that means is you can buy any EV and this will confidently plug in and start charging that vehicle. After you've selected your charger, you may want to be able to understand how do you install it. Well, EVSE are an end-to-end solutions provider. So what that means is you can get the hardware from us. We can also provide a quote for the installation aspect of things, which means that we can do the full end-to-end solution, and then any after sales or after support you need, that's all on us, and we'll be here to help you. We have local engineering teams in Brisbane, Melbourne and Sydney, ready to be on call to support you and your home charging needs. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at evse.com.au. We'll provide our details around our email and our phone numbers, but also feel free to come into our showrooms, like I said before, and follow us on our social medias such as Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Thanks very much. We'll be providing more value through these videos throughout this series, but till then, have a great time. See you later. Bye.